What is this bird? So I found a little bird. It looked like somebody's pet because it let me touch it and it didn't really run away. So I tried to pick it up, but it could fly and it kind of flew away. It didn't fly very far, it just flew away and landed right next to me. I tried to pick it up to take it to a vet. I don't think they would have found its owner, but at least they'd be able to take care of it because I have a cat and I can't. But it wouldn't let me pick it up and I was afraid to hurt it. So I just sort of chased it out of the pavement and it flew up into a tree. So I hope it will be okay. Hi again. So it's the afternoon and I have a massive headache. Really massive migraine again. So much so that I had to call my dad to take me home from work. I finished my shift, but only barely. I didn't really work the last hour. And now I'm laying in bed with a headache. It's not so bad while I'm laying down, but if I try to get up, it gets unbearable. And I'm not exactly sure why I'm recording this, just because I want to talk to you guys and tell you what's up. I'm still thinking about a little bird from this morning. I hope that it's okay. I spoke to my boyfriend, who spoke to his mother, who knows a thing or two about animals in general, and she said that it might actually be not an adult and not a pet, but it might have been like a juvenile bird who was still like living with its parents in the nest, and maybe it was taking like a flight and it fell because it wasn't very good at flying, which is something I noticed. The flying was kind of wonky and bad, and cat, and it might be just a juvenile bird, and if it's up in the tree, it should be safe. I didn't really have the chance to check on my way back because I was in the car, not walking. But I hope that it's okay, and if that's true, then I hope the parents have found it by now. Oh yeah, this is my Fallen poster. Do not judge me. I have never read the book. The books, sorry. They sound extremely wild. I have watched the movie, but only because the actor who plays Daniel looks exactly like one of my own characters. And that's actually the only reason I even have the poster. A funny story about this poster, I saw it, like a year ago. I saw it in a DVD and music shop, and I asked them if they could just give it to me, because it had been there a while. And they said, no, it's fairly new, even though the movie's really not new. And they said, no, it's fairly new, and we want to keep it there. Come back in a couple of months and ask again. So 6 months later, I saw it, that it was still there, and I went in again and I asked, hey, can you give me this poster? And the guy was like, oh, which poster? Are you sure? And I said, oh yeah, I came here a few months ago and they said that if it's still there after a couple of months, I can have it. And the guy was very like, he didn't really know what to do, I guess. He felt anxious, probably. I feel bad for him. But he took it down from me and he just gave it to me. So I have this poster. When I have a way to like change it a little bit, I will just leave Daniel on it because that's the only part of it that I care about. The main character, I really don't like. I've read this summary of the books, but I really am not a fan. Sorry if you like it. It's just not my thing. I don't like this sort of story. And yeah, that's the story behind this poster. And cat. Boo.